We've so much in common, so I guess that it's goodbye. You're not ready for me yet, but someday you might. There's so much more to you than just your face, your hair, your eyes. You know it's funny, can see the truth and all your lies. It's starting to feel like deja vu. I told you that, girl, I would change for you. I guess that I can relate to you. But if you change your mind, I will wait for you. It's deja vu.
Whatever doesn't kill you makes you stronger, that's a lie. It breaks you down and makes you weaker, makes your stomach fall apart, and never so slowly you do die. Notice like with you inside, but you don't let it show, so no one's get angry, asking why. And you said you just wanted to be friends, but my face in my hands, and said this is the end, but I'll be here for you whenever, when you decide to come back. But I leave you till then, but I leave you till then. Pick up the pen, write you a song, maybe one, maybe 10. You be my Barbie, I'll be your Ken. That won't happen, but I can't pretend and said I'm sorry for leading you on. Sitting here thinking, what did I do wrong? I was reading our own messages and I'm wondering, why are you gone? She doesn't like rap music, so I wrote her a rap song. Still I got feelings that I can't deny now. No, doubting myself, I mean, why now? Yo, I say you got the message by now. Tell me that you regret saying goodbye now. I say you get the message by now. Tell me that you regret saying goodbye now. She said,
don't be hard now. Look at what you started, it's me, not you. She said, don't take it personal, I guess you were worth it all, it's me, not you. It's starting to feel like deja vu. I told you that, girl, I would change for you. I guess that I can relate to you. But if you change your mind, I will wait for you. It's deja vu.
Sorry if I use your words against you, I don't mean it, but I don't think you really understand why you're feeling. We would say it for all night, talking on the phone. Every time I saw your face reminded me it was on a low, and every song I sing reminds me of you. And every big thing reminds me of you. And every big word I hear reminds me of you. To bring to the display, I can only speak highly of you. I heard the night was finished, hasn't thought that was just a myth, but obviously not judging by the last year which we weren't even together. So how could we breaking up? I don't know, but I'm dreaming of kissing you and making up. Should've told me how you felt before I got attached. I was flying in the air, but now my plane's about to crash. I was told that I shouldn't have any, that I should leave you behind. I should just turn my back. I was told that I shouldn't have any, that I should leave you behind. I should just turn my back.
Won't you please give me a second chance to be with you? I probably am losing guys, beginning to feel like deja vu, deja vu. Won't you please just give me a second chance? I might need to. I probably am losing guys, beginning to feel like deja vu, deja vu. She said, don't be disheartened. Now look at what you started. It's me, not you. She said, don't take it personal. I guess you were worth it all. It's me, not you. It started to feel like deja vu. I told you to girl, I'll change for you. I guess that I can relate to you. But if you change your mind, I will wait for you. It's deja vu.